action. Oh, we're going. Oh, it's even got glowing lights on it, Katie. Yeah.
Whoa, this is so cool.
Is it good?
That's awesome.
Is it good?
Yeah. That's awesome.
Why?
Because it's like not...
It's like butter.
Yeah, and low maintenance from that other shit.
What does that thing do? What's that big green thing do?
What?
Other side.
That?
Yeah. Tighten?
I think so.
Yeah, it looks loose. You got to tighten it. See how loose it looks? Is it good? It looks really loose. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
You should probably read directions.
I don't like reading directions.
No, you don't. That's it, huh? Oh, maybe now. Is that tightening? Or loosening? Oh, that's locking. There it goes. Yeah. See, that's good. Maybe you have to unlock it and do it.
Awesome, dude.
Oh, yeah,
let me try the big one.
all right, here we go. One more. Here we go. Oh, look at how big that motherfucker is. Here. Yeah.